Hello, everyone. Good morning. So today I was, walking from home to work, and I was watching the sunrise, and I'm like, well, why not video it and post it on YouTube? So that's what I'm doing today. Right now I'm by Boca del Rio, so just north of here, uh, by the split. That's where the Bowen and Bowen toll bridge is, right? And so I'm gonna be walking to work, and I'm gonna video everything. So if you wanna stick around, you can. Morning. So from here, which is the Boca del Rio area, to town, you're looking about 10 minutes, maybe less. I don't know. For sure, not more than 10 minutes, though. All right. And here to our left, it's the popular bar and restaurant over the water called Wayos. So it's well known on the island, and also a lot of tourists that are coming in tend to come and spend time here. It's a very nice place. Hey, good morning. Hotel Del Rio here on our right. So in the morning, right now it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, 7 in the morning. And so, hey, good morning. I guess this is the time that everyone is doing their exercise by the beach. You know, on normal days, when I go to work, I drive on the golf cart, right? On the golf cart, it's maybe 4 or 5 minutes. However, I don't come by the beach, nor do I get to, have the opportunity to see the sunrise or experience the beach. So it's a very beautiful day today. Sunny, of course. We have a hurricane. Here to our right, it's Oasis Del Carib. Now, this development, if you guys are looking to real estate opportunities here on the island, you do have a 2 bedroom, 2 bath condo in there, and it should be this one here, Ocean View. Hey, a dive shop in front. This is Ugly Ducks here to our left, over the water, and this is where Wayos was before, right? I don't know if you guys can hear the birds singing, but I have to admit, it's a very nice experience. That's Losers Bar and Restaurant. Then here on our right we have Sandy Toes. And that's the road. So on this part of the, I guess, stretch is on the beach is the only part here on San Pedro or on Burgess Key that you can drive a golf cart on the beach. So here, Elite Dive Bar. This wall here paints a little bit about the history of Belize. To where we're at today during the COVID era. But there's a photo of the Mayas, the Mestizos, the Garifunas. It jumps to Belize getting its independence. The next one being a ferry. That's the ferry that we used to cross to go to the northern part after the natural split. And then where the blue hole is, that paints the tourism era. And then there's a toll bridge with a sagebrush logo that represents the bridge and tourism, so tourists coming. And then finally you have the COVID era, so it's gonna continue, but over time. That's the San Pedro High School. So they have high school running during the day, during the night for those that are working during the day. And, you know, hey, good morning. And then also at night they have junior college. So it's the only college here on the island of Burgess Key. Here we have sandbar. And then we're coming up to our left, which is at this point onward, golf carts can't go by the beach. You'd have to go through the road. This road would lead you to the roundabout. And then you do have Palapa Bar and Grill. That's Blue Town. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about the Palapa Bar. That's where it is. And we're about in town already. This is Phoenix. We're coming up to the Phoenix Resort. Morning. So yeah, it's the Phoenix Resort. I know they have a camera videoing everything, and it's posted on YouTube. It's what I guess it's called what, a live cam. I don't know. It's somewhere in there though. Good morning. Oh, little doggy. Guess this one was left behind. Hey. This has the water taxi that one of the two actually takes you to Belize City. Amigos Del Mar. They're a dive shop. They do diving, snorkeling, fishing, and they've been around for as long as I can remember. This is now Maya Princess. You do have it's more like a hotel style condos. I don't think we should even call it condos, but it's maybe about just under 600 square feet. And there is a unit in here for I believe it's 155,000 US. It would be perfect, I guess, if you're just wanting to you're a first-time buyer and maybe not sure. It maybe just to put it on the rental program, use as a vacation home, and maybe a small transition condo here on the island. And then when you do retire, maybe you can sell that one and then move to a bigger one that might be more suitable for full-time living. And yes, we're here. That's the town clock. That's where the Central Park is, and then my office. So, all right, that's it for today.